This is why you need peppermint oil in your beauty stash. Curious? Stick around to find out. Peppermint oil. It's not just for freshening your breath anymore. This little bottle packs a big punch for both your hair and skin. First off, let's talk hair. Ever dealt with a dry, itchy scalp? Peppermint oil's cooling sensation can soothe irritation and even help with dandruff. Just mix a few drops into your shampoo and feel the tingle. Struggling with hair growth? Peppermint oil can stimulate your scalp, promoting blood circulation and potentially speeding up hair growth. Hello, luscious locks. Now let's move on to skin. Acne. Say goodbye to those pesky pimples. Peppermint oil has antimicrobial properties that can help zap those zits. Just dilute it with a carrier oil and dab on the trouble spots. And if you love that refreshing, cool feeling, peppermint oil is your new best friend. Mix it into your moisturizer or body lotion for an instant pick-me-up. Perfect for those hot summer days. Remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and always dilute it. Your skin and hair will thank you. So, ready to upgrade your beauty game? Grab some peppermint oil and let the magic begin. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more beauty tips. See you next time.